Hi, Andrew here at Gateway Toyota. I'd like to show you another great vehicle in our pre-owned lineup. This is a 2012 Chevy Avalanche. It's the LTZ package, so top of the line, absolutely gorgeous truck. It's got the pearl white paint, really nice. Got the fog lights in front, beautiful alloy wheels. This one even has power running boards on it that fold out. It's beautiful. In the back here, of course, you've got the cover on the back, tonneau cover. You've got backup sensors. It's got a trailer tow package on this one. It's even got the locking and unlocking power tailgate lock on this one as well. Let me show you a few great features on the inside. So this one's got, it's really fully equipped. It's got power heated and cooled front seats on it, memory seats as well. Of course, the tow haul mode on this one. You've got Bose sound system, navigation, dual zone automatic climate control, power pedals, backup sensors. You got a tow haul mode on this one. Power sunroof, auto dimming rear view mirror. This one has even a DVD player in the back for the family. It is absolutely gorgeous. For more information about this great vehicle, check us out at gatewaytoyota.ca or give us a shout at 780-439-3939 or come down in person. We're at 2020 103rd A Street Southwest in Edmonton. We can't wait to show you this gorgeous truck. And for more information about upcoming pre-owned vehicles and new vehicles that we have in stock, check us out on our YouTube channel at Gateway Toyota and hit the notification button and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you soon. Take care.